This is the end of summer. It's been a really weird season at that, I'm sure, not just for me, but for many gardeners here in North Carolina, Zone 7B, and throughout the states. Anyways, these peppers are doing great because it's been so much cooler for the last month. We're in the middle of September and there's not a whole bunch left. Lots of marigolds eaten by bunnies, and the don't-eat has been doing good all summer. These Thai peppers really love the heat. It's catmint that's left from the eggplants I had to cut down end of July, I think. And here I planted what I thought was mini pumpkins, but it's some type of squash. I'm going to cut it down because it's getting diseased and it's yielding some variety of squash. I don't know. And check out that marigold. What's left of it. Got to cut them down. What is that? A mosquito repellent thing. They work. Some green peppers, probably crossed with the jalapenos a little bit that was growing beside the plant. And green onions. I have lots of green onions, so that's nice. And the batting cage is still up. I'm gonna harvest some today. It's much cooler. It's like low 70s. It's gonna rain. Always doing these videos, it seems, on the verge of some storm. That used to be watermelons. Got one big watermelon, if you saw my short on it. And the sweet potato, I harvested one pool. Unfortunately, the Japanese sweet potatoes were full of worms, so I left another pool. Probably will have worms in it too, but we'll see. I'm giving it another month. The potatoes I did pull out, they were kind of small. Well, I cut these regular white cooking potatoes down and they're popping through, so we'll just cut them again. And I plan to put my garlic in there. Unfortunately, what's left of my strawberry pools, but I'm gonna cut them down and plant onions next spring in my one lone surviving blueberry bush. Say hi to Lula. That's her name. I think that's about it, guys. I'm not planting any in the fall just to take a break and recover. But we'll end this video with a beautiful view of Japanese Murasaki sweet potato flowers. Look at that.